Good afternoon, all. I'm Dr. Sumit Agrawal, Head of the Department of Commerce, Tech Greater Noida. So today we will discuss one of the topic of human resource management, job analysis. Job analysis includes job description and job specification. So we will discuss what is job analysis. Then we will discuss two part of job analysis, which are job description and job specification one by one. So what is job analysis? Job analysis is a tool to collect job related data. The process results in collecting and recording two data sets includes job description and job specification. Any job vacancy cannot be filled until and unless HR manager has these two sets of data, which is job description and job specification. It is necessary to define them accurately in order to fit the right person at the right place and at the right time. This helps both employers and employees understand what exactly need to be delivered and how. So these are the important part of job analysis is your job descriptions and job specification that we will discuss one by one. Both job description and job specification are essential part of job analysis information. Writing them clearly and accurately helps organizations and workers cope up with many challenges while on board. So basically, job analysis is the analysis of a job, the requirements of a job, which is divided into two parts, job description and job specification. Now, what is job description? Job description includes basic job related data that is useful to advertise a specific job and to attract a pool of talent. It includes information of the job such as title of the job, location of the job, reporting to and of employees, summary of the job, nature and objective of a job, task and duties to be performed in a job, working conditions, machines, tools and equipment to be used by a worker and hazards involved in it. So job description includes each and everything related with a particular job, including what is the job title, what is the location of a job. Location can be a single unit, location can be a multiple units, to whom a worker has to report or an employee has to report, a basic summary of the job, nature of the job, what kind of the job all about, objectives of the job, tasks and duties assigned with a job, what are the working conditions required in a particular job that can be provided by the organization, what are the various machines, tools or equipment can be used while performing a particular job. So that is your job description. Now, what is the purpose of job description? Why to define job description? Why it is essential part of job analysis? The main purpose of job description is to collect job related data in order to advertise for a particular job. It helps in attracting, targeting, recruiting, and selecting the right candidate for the right job. So basically, one of the major purpose of job description is to find out the right person for the right job. So that is the first and the foremost requirement of writing a job description. It is done to determine what needs to be delivered in a particular job. It clarifies what employees are supposed to do if selected for a particular job opening. So decide about it gives a introduction about what is the need for a particular job, what a person has to do in that particular job. It gives recruiting staff a clear view what kind of candidate is required by a particular department or division to perform a specific task or a job. So not only to the worker, but it is also giving the clear indications about the recruiting staff that what is the need of that particular job in an organization. It also clarifies who will be report to whom to define the hierarchy of the job also. Now the second part of job analysis is job specification. Also known as employee specification, a job specification is a written statement of educational qualification, specific qualities, Level of experience, physical, emotional, technical, and communication skills required to perform a job, responsibilities involved in a job, and other unusual sensory demands. It also includes general health, mental health, intelligence, aptitude, memory, judgment, leadership skills, emotional ability, adaptability, flexibility, values and ethics, manners and creativity, etc. So it is related with the employees. Like the job description is related with the job specification is related with the employee specification. Like what can be the qualification of the employees for a particular job, what are the various qualities required, what is the level of experience required, whether it's a fresher job, whether it's a middle level job, whether it's a higher level job, what are the physical, emotional, technical, and communication skills are required to perform a job, what are the various responsibilities involved in that particular job, what is the mental health status, intelligence level, aptitude, memory, judgment, leadership skills, etc. of the person who is applied for that particular job. So that is your job specification. Now the purpose of job specification. So why job specification is required part of a or an essential part of a job analysis. Describe on the basis of job description, job specifications help candidates analyze whether are eligible to apply for a particular job vacancy or not. So basically, it helps candidate to analyze and the company to analyze whether they are eligible, whether the candidate who applied for a job is eligible for that particular job vacancy or not. It helps recruiting team of an organization understand what level of qualifications, qualities, and set of characteristics should be present in a candidate to make him or her eligible for the job opening. Basically, it helps the candidate to evaluate the job as well as the organization to evaluate the candidate whether the candidate is eligible for a particular job not. Or not. Job specification gives detailed information about any job, including job responsibilities, desired technical and physical skills required, conversational ability, and many more. It helps in selecting the most appropriate candidate for a particular job. So these are the certain purpose of job specification. Now we will discuss the comparison between the job description and job specification. As we already discussed, both are the essential part of job analysis, job description and job specification. Job description is mainly related with the job, while the job specification is related to the employee specification. So now we will discuss one by one what is the difference between the job specification and job description. So we will discuss this on various bases how job description is different from your job specification. So first in need. Job description is a concise written statement explaining about what are the major requirements of a particular job. So describe what are the major requirements of that particular job which is required in an organization. Job specification is a statement which explains the minimum eligibility requirement for performing a particular job. So it determines the minimum qualification. So it basically gives the employee specification to be perform a particular job. Now the list out. Job description lists out job titles, job duties, tasks and responsibilities involved in a job. While job specification lists out employee qualifications, skills, abilities, experience. What is it? The job description expresses what a prospective employee must do when he is ready. So it gives a job idea, what a employee has to perform in that particular job. Job specification expresses what an applicant must possess for getting selected. So it is related to the employee. What can be the experience of the employee? What can be the educational qualification of the employee? What can be the ability or the skills of the employee which is required for a particular job so that he can be selected for a particular job. Now, job analysis is prepared from the job analysis. So for job analysis, first you have to prepare job analysis, then your job description. Job specification is prepared on the basis of job description. Now, last one comprises. The job description comprises of designation, place of work, scope, salary range, working hours, responsibilities, reporting authorities, environment, infrastructure, facilities related to the particular job. Job specification comprises of educational qualifications, experience, skills, knowledge, age, abilities, work orientation factors, etc. of the job. That's the difference between your job description and job. In today's lecture, we will discuss first what is job analysis. So what is job analysis? Job analysis is the analysis of a job for which we need a particular person. We need a particular recruitment or the selection of a particular for a particular job. We require a job. Job analysis is divided into, as we discussed, is divided into two parts: job description and job specification. So job description is related with the description of the job or the essentials of the job, while the job specification is related with the specification of the employees who will do a particular job. So that's all with the lecture of job analysis, job description, and job specification. I hope you understand the lecture. So thank you very much. Have a nice